A minimalist is someone who has the least amount of things that he uses and adds value to his life. Even if he has an old Samsung camera, he uses it, and this adds value to his life. But a non-minimalist is someone who has a lot of things, but many things doesn't add value to his life. Even if he has an advanced Nikon camera, that doesn't add value to his life. That's not me. Now let me share my room. Actually, I'm a non-minimalist. You could easily find that by looking behind. Like everything is a complete mess around there. I would like to transform this non-minimalistic room into a minimalistic room. So come on, let's go.
Always when you start to clean, start slow by clearing the messy items in the floor and then go to the table.
As you can see, there's a lot of books here and there which I don't even use right now. So these books are actually my diploma grade books which I have finished. So today is the day. Today I'm gonna clear all this clutter and make it look good.
Start decluttering the things by analyzing what you need and what you don't. Start slow. Don't rush all through the way. Make it simple. After decluttering the things, always try to store the decluttered items in a polythene bag or in a box so that it would be easy to transfer. It's actually not very clean, but it's clean. Even the total number of pens in the pen stand counts for the minimalist. Now, if you have two things with the same functionality, choose the best one and throw the other one away. In my case, I had this jumping rope.
Consider these three activities before actually decluttering the things.
Number 1. You don't need that today, but you might need that tomorrow.
Think you are decluttering right now and you find something and you grab that and you just throw it away. So before throwing it away, I want you to think twice or even thrice. Would you need it later on in the future? Now let me share you an example. Think you planned of throwing away this hoodie. As it's warm right now, you just plan to throw it away. But you don't know whether tomorrow is it gonna be cold or warm. If it's cold, you need this hoodie. If it's warm, you don't need it. So similar to that, before throwing something away, think twice.
Number 2. If it's an emotional item, think thrice to throw that away.
The things in front of me, this might seem like a complete mess for you, but I can't just throw them away. I can't even throw a single item down here because each item has its unique memory. This is just a piece, it's just a gift wrap paper, but this has its own memory. This is just tiny bags, but inside this there is some items which can give us that moment which we had years ago. So, and this is just a box, and this is just a, I don't know what we can say. It's a coin saving thing. I don't know what to say in English. And these are memory cards. So these are not memory cards. These are ID cards which I had in school for the past 4 years, and I have my college ID card safely. I can't just throw these things away
as they are very emotional.
Just keep it. That's not a clutter.
Number 3. Throw them away. Don't change the area of storage.
Now, if you keep an item from this part of the room to this part of the room, it's still known as clutter. It's not yet decluttered. So what you actually want to do is grab the item and just throw it away. That's it. I was just kidding. So take a polythene bag and lay everything inside and put it in a dustbin. But if you feel that it would be useful for some other people, donate those items to charity or find the person who would need those items. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and like the video.